Hey Team Ripped, what is up? Boy, I'm excited about this Beachbody On Demand, and it just streams so easily. It's real user friendly, and I just want to show you on mine how you navigate around and what all options you see and how easy this is to use and how helpful it is. So let me show you as I navigate on my screen here. You can follow along with me. I'm going to start off with my cursor there. I'm going to scroll. We can see our member library. If we go over to the right, we can click that arrow and scroll through all the different choices we have in our member library. All those workouts are available to us. We click on a program and off we go. You can also see the new and noteworthy ones. You can scroll down a little further here and you'll see that you can search for workouts by type or by trainer. Really handy way to find any workout you're looking for. So I'm going to click on muscle building. We're interested in building some muscle, right? So what kind of options do I have here? Well, I could go X2, which I was in. That's a great one. Let me look at these one-on-ones though, just to show you this. So you can scroll through these one-on-ones. You can see all the different choices. Over here on the right, you could download a calendar and actually get an entire hybrid calendar using the one-on-ones. You can see the duration of the workouts, if they do or don't require equipment. I'm going to click on 30-15 here. This is an upper body workout, all push-ups and pull-ups, and it was an hour long with required equipment. So let's see what we got going here. We got Tony intro into us. The one-on-ones are great. They're kind of a behind-the-scenes kind of workout if you haven't ever done one before. 30-15, it crushes you. It's an hour of push-ups and pull-ups. As you get into these workouts, there's a little bar at the bottom. You can fast forward, jump ahead. So I just jumped 20 minutes into the workout. We can see that and see where we're at with that part of the workout. You can click the menu, go back to the workouts. So you get into one you didn't mean to be on. You can go back, pull up your programs, go back to your member library. I mean, they couldn't have made this more user friendly. So you have all these workouts at your disposal anywhere that you have Wi-Fi. I mean, you cannot beat that. So, Team Rep, let us bring it!